Animals often run away from humans because humans are perceived as potential threats. This behavior is influenced by evolution, instinct, learning, sensory abilities, and previous human-animal interactions. Many animals, especially prey species, have evolved to quickly respond to anything that could cause injury or death. Animals that reacted quickly to potential predators were more likely to survive and reproduce. Over thousands of generations, this produced strong escape responses. Humans can trigger the same response even when they are not actively hunting. Humans move differently from most large predators. We walk upright. We have a tall body shape. We can move slowly and then suddenly change direction. For many animals, this creates an unfamiliar visual pattern. Unfamiliarity itself can trigger caution. Many animals have highly developed senses. Deer can detect movement across wide areas. Many mammals have much stronger senses of smell than humans. Birds have excellent vision and can detect movement from considerable distances. Animals may therefore notice a human before the human notices them. When an animal detects danger, its nervous system can activate a flight response. This prepares the body for rapid escape. Heart rate increases. Muscles receive more blood. Attention becomes focused on the potential threat. The animal then creates distance from the danger. Running away is often safer than fighting. Fear of humans is not always completely instinctive. Animals can learn that humans are dangerous through direct experience. An animal that has been chased, hunted, captured, or injured by humans may become more cautious around people. This learned avoidance can also influence how animals respond to humans in the future. Animals can also acquire fear through social learning. Young animals observe how adults react to humans. If adults consistently become alert or flee when humans approach, younger animals can learn the same behavior. This allows useful survival information to spread without every individual experiencing danger directly. Humans are not only physical threats. Human activity can dramatically change animal environments. Deforestation, agriculture, construction, roads, vehicles, artificial lighting, noise, and pollution can all disturb wildlife. Animals can therefore associate humans with major environmental changes. Most predators have specific hunting methods. Humans are different. Humans can walk, run, use tools, drive vehicles, work in groups, and change their behavior depending on the situation. This flexibility makes humans difficult for animals to predict. Unpredictable threats are often treated cautiously. Scientists use the term flight initiation distance to describe how close a potential threat can approach before an animal escapes. Different species have different flight distances. Factors include species body size, habitat, age, presence of offspring, previous experience with humans, availability of escape routes, human behavior. An animal living in a remote forest may react differently from one living near a city. Animals can develop strong associations between humans and negative experiences. If human presence repeatedly occurs with hunting, harassment, loud machinery, vehicles, or habitat disturbance, animals may begin avoiding people earlier. This is an example of conditioned behavior. The animal learns that a particular signal predicts possible danger. Fear varies significantly between species. Some animals immediately flee when they detect people. Others remain hidden. Some climb trees or fly away. Some stand still to avoid detection. Large predators may sometimes avoid humans because they recognize humans as potential threats. Other species can become accustomed to human presence. Repeated exposure to harmless human activity can produce habituation. Habituation means an animal gradually stops responding strongly to a stimulus that repeatedly proves harmless. This is why some wildlife living near roads, farms, or cities may tolerate humans more closely. However, habituation does not necessarily mean the animal is friendly. It simply means its immediate fear response has decreased. Humans can also provide resources. Urban areas can offer food, wastewater, shelter, artificial environments, agricultural crops, reduce competition from some predator species, such as pigeons, rats, crows, and some mammals have adapted extremely well to human environments. So human presence can create both danger and opportunity. Humans have an unusual combination of intelligence, cooperation, tools, and technology. These abilities allow humans to affect animals from much greater distances than many natural predators. Humans can also modify entire ecosystems. Because of this, some scientists describe humans as superpredators. The term refers to the unusually broad impact humans can have on prey populations and ecosystems. For many animals, escaping has a relatively low cost. Staying near a potential threat can have a much higher cost. If an animal escapes unnecessarily, it may lose some energy. If it fails to escape from a real predator, the consequences can be fatal. Natural selection therefore favors animals that are appropriately cautious. The main reason animals run away from humans because their survival systems treat humans as potential sources of danger. The response is shaped by instinct, evolution, learning, sensory detection, human hunting, environmental disturbance, and previous experiences. Humans are not feared by every animal in the same way, but across many species, keeping distance from humans can be an extremely effective survival strategy. Subscribe for more amazing facts about animals, humans, and the world around us.